The Pleasantville campus of PACE is where the graduate program is housed, and as you can see, I'm standing in the middle of the campus right now. It's more of a rustic environment. The Master's in Environmental Science is a 2-year program. Most of the courses are given at night from 5 o'clock on to accommodate the working student. It's very unique because it combines science and policy and communication. We offer diverse classes, and the curriculum is such that the required classes are few and students can really develop their curriculum to meet their needs. One of the new acquisitions to our program is an environmental lab, and it's a huge lab that students can use. It's housed within other labs that consist of biology and chemistry. PACE has something called the Environmental Center that is very involved with sort of grassroots environmental activism and is very involved with regional and global environmental issues.
Students in the environmental program try to use the Environmental Center as a resource. I know it's filled with lots of wildlife experts, and lots of students are studying wildlife in their program, so it's a very good resource.
Some of the students love field work, others like to be in the lab. I personally have students working with coyotes, I have students working with turtles, I have students studying bird ecology on the shores of Long Island.
My fieldwork's just starting. I'm studying forest succession and change as a result of deer herbivory. I'm looking at the Rockefeller State Park Preserve, which is just up the road a couple of miles. I'm able to compare the impact of the deer by seeing the species that are inside the exclosure as opposed to the species that are outside the exclosure.
My favorite part of the program is definitely talking to and learning from the faculty. It's great because they all seem to have lots of real-world experience, and they really try to impart that on their students, and you get a really good sense of what your profession will be like after you graduate.
The career opportunities that are available to our students are diverse. Some of our graduates work for consulting firms, some go on to do PhDs, others work for county, state, federal governmental agencies or non-for-profit institutions.
I'm not sure what I'm going to do after I graduate. I'm leaning towards either going on to get a PhD or going to work in like an environmental consulting firm or something like that. One good thing about PACE is it really sets you up to do any of these things.
What I tell incoming students, I explain to them that the sky is the limit and they really need to craft their own career goal because they will attain that career goal.